Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How my beautiful people doing on this Sunday morning? I hope everyone is doing fine. Well, I just want to show you guys that I went to the store and I purchased these Edoe. I didn't purchase them to cook. I purchased them because I want them to push out the eyes that me can able to plant them. I plant some Edoes already and they now start shooting up. So I went and get these and I put them in this plastic bag. I did put them in this plastic bag for a reason, because I know like the plastic bag and the sweating of the plastic bag cause them to push out eyes. You see how they're looking damp? Yes. So I have them in there and now they're ready to plant. Yes, I didn't have to put them in no water, nothing. I just put them in the bag and all of them is ready. So if you want to plant Edoes and you go to the store and you buy them, the best thing to do is put them in a plastic bag. And in no time, you will have Edoes ready to plant. So these are my Edoes right here. And I'm going to plant them this evening. So I'm going to have a video coming soon with me planting my Edoes. So you see? Yeah, beautiful. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Oh, you see? They're all ready to plant. Thank you guys.